Meteordale's Adventure and Travel's latest challenge is to do every railway service in the UK over many, many years. Please enjoy watching. This is the 10:46 service from Newcastle to Ashington.
We will be calling out Newcastle, Northumberland, and Ashington.
Yeah, I've been wanting to do the Ashington service for some time now. So today I am doing it. The Newcastle to Ashington service on a 158. Departing at 10:46, stopping at Seaton, Delaval, Newsham and Ashington, of course. On the route I noticed the stations were very well developed and ready to be reopened, such as Blythe, Bebbside and Bedlington. I think that's what they are anyway. I should have sat on the other side of the train, but I managed to catch the views on the way back. So this video will show the journey to Ashington on the left side and on the way back the other side. So the stations due to be opened later in 2025 on this line are Blythe, Bebbside, Bedlington and Northumberland Park. Should be by the end of the year, so that'd be great for the people in the area. The service was very busy on the way back going towards Newcastle, but not so busy going to Ashington. So I sat on the western side of the train going north and the eastern side going south. So we're currently on the East Coast Main Line, where we should shortly turn off. Here's the junction at Northumberland. There we go. Quite a lot of this line is a single track and quite bendy, so it's an old freight line. Of course there was passenger trains on this line a long time ago, but that was all shut down. Apparently it's very well used and greater than expectations, so that's really good news for a new line that's just opened. Freight train to our right. And a red light. Station under development. At Shire, is it?
Northumberland Park. Single line track. Sharp turn to the left here, 90 degrees. And there's the sea. And here's Newcastle station. And there's a train on your platform going south to Newcastle. From 850. Section being constructed. The left side.
You can see here one of the stations under construction.
Next we cross over the River Blythe with the Blythe estuary to the west. Yes. Hier ist Ihr Bridge zu Ashington.
Best to Newcastle.
We will be calling at Susan, Seaton Dove, Banners, and Newcastle. Welcome aboard the service to Newcastle. Next station stop is Susan.
Taking ages to finish
Thank you very much.
Yeah, so you got revenue officer and the vehicle has a revenue. Turn the walk to the revenue side.